Hello, my name is Travis Holzem with TH Web Consulting, and I just wanted to make an urgent video. Well, it's not urgent for me because I don't have to worry about this problem, but it's an urgent matter for hundreds of thousands of business owners, website owners that have an online presence. Okay. Now, I don't speak proper and all this stuff. I'm just me. Okay. So I'm just going to talk the way I do and how I relate. And hopefully you learn something from me, because you're not smarter than me if this is what is going on with your business at this point, because you're going to learn something today. Okay, if you do not have a mobile friendly website, your business is done. Your mobile traffic is going to go down to nothing. You're not going to sell anything from a mobile device anymore, because you will not be showing up in the mobile search results any longer, because your website is a dinosaur. It's not mobile friendly. Okay, I have contacted numerous business owners to try to get through their head that you have to have a mobile friendly, mobile responsive website to do business online, not right now and for the foreseeable future going forward. There is no other choice. There's no option. There's nothing. If you have an old website, you're done. You're not showing up in the search results. Try it. Look. If I go to a friend's house and I want to order pizza, if I say I would like to, where is the nearest pizza delivery to my location? Okay, if your website is mobile friendly and it is optimized for local mobile search, if you are within 1 mile of me, you should come up in a mobile search. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. Okay, everybody in your area that is mobile friendly, mobile optimized, shows up in a mobile search. But if you do not have a mobile friendly website, guess what? You don't, because Google's algorithm is now called mobile first index. And if I have to explain what that means, you're really in trouble. Okay, that means if your website is not mobile friendly, it is not going to show up before a mobile friendly website. Okay, plain and simple. Can't explain it any more than that. Okay, what does these websites, they make money for your business. That's your store open 24/7, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, every minute, every second of every single day. That is your money maker. That's how people find you. Okay, guess what? If you're not mobile friendly, they're not going to find you anymore. It's as simple as that. And I've been trying to get through to these guys, girls too, that have these old websites, but they don't want to listen. They don't want to put any expenses into their business, because to them it's a website. Okay, but what is that website doing? It's paying all your goddamn bills. It's paying for your employees. Okay, it's paying for your overheads. It's paying for your families, your insurance. It's paying for everything, right? That's how that makes money for your business. But guess what? That's going to go away, because future is here. technology is passing you by and you're not keeping up with it. It's as simple as that. What do all of your employees have in their pocket or their purse? One of these, huh? Okay. So where do you think all of your traffic, all of your new customers, all of your repeat customers, current customers, where do you think they're going to be looking? At your dinosaur website? No, they're going to be looking at your competitor's website because their website shows up on one of these. Yours looks like shit, and it's a terrible mobile experience for them. Nobody wants to have that experience anymore. That is why Google went to a mobile first index, because that is what their searchers on mobile phones want. So Google's going to give it to them. And guess what? They've been putting these warnings out to business owners since 2014. You can, or actually it's before that. It might be 2012, 2013 when they said they were going to start focusing on mobile friendly sites. And you can go to my blog, thwebconsulting.com, and click on the blog link, and you can see I've been blogging about this since 2014. That's how far back I go, talking about mobile friendly websites and how it is changing the landscape of online business, local business. Okay, it was at one time the internet made it. It was a long distance search. Okay, people look for things all over. They weren't focusing on local. Nobody, because they were so used to going and getting everything locally, they knew how, and they just didn't travel without of their area. They know where everything is. But the internet was used to buy things from all the businesses around the country. Okay, but then once mobile devices came out, everyone wanted they wanted to know exactly where everything is. Okay, so Google gave that to them. You know, your business can be optimized by its location, pinpointed on a map, by your grid coordinates. Okay, right now you don't have that. Your site is not optimized for local search. Okay, you know, if it was, you would not be in this problem. Okay, and what I want you to do, sorry this is a long video, but I'm trying to get you to understand your business is going down the shitter right now if you do not have a mobile friendly website. There's no other plain and simple way to say it. And I don't care if I offend you, but your business is going down the toilet if you do not have a mobile friendly website. Frustrating is what it is for me, but that's what you need. You can actually go to Google, put Google mobile friendly test in a Google search, and Google's website will come up, which is a Google mobile website tester. And you put the HTTP yourwebsite.com and click test my site. Okay, and Google is going to go to your website from its mobile search robot. Okay, and hear what I said? Mobile search robot, not desktop search robot, mobile search robot. So it's going to spider your website like it is a mobile user. It's got a mobile device, and it is going to tell you, yes, your site is mobile friendly, or no, your site is not mobile friendly. Green and red. Red means shit, I better do something, or my business is going to go down a shitter. Okay, plain and simple. There's no simpler way to put it. But Google made this change. And I'll have a little picture come up here when I edit this video so you're going to see it. That shows you exactly what it looks like. But besides that, you have a non-mobile friendly website and you have no local optimization. So you're losing on two fronts. Okay? First, you're not going to be in a mobile search anymore because your website sucks. It's old, outdated, and not mobile friendly. So bye. Plus, you're not optimized for local search, so nobody finds you. Your website is not going to show up because it's not optimized for local people to find you. It's not going to show up on a map because it's not optimized for that. Okay? So how do you fix that? Well, you're going to have to deal with me. Okay? And I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not a $500 website builder or creator, is what some business owners call their web developer. They call them their website creator. And then they tell me all kinds of lowball prices that astonish me, because you couldn't build a website yourself, you know, but why should you? You're the business owner. That's what you pay people to do. But it's not cheap either. Okay? Web developers get shit on by a majority of business owners because they disrespect us, because they don't think it takes any skill to build beautiful websites, man, for your business. This is going to be your store for 24/7. Every day of the year, every second, every minute, every hour is going to be your business. That's going to be what people see. Okay? That's going to be your face on the internet. And you think that costs $500 or $1,000? You got to be kidding me. To have somebody build your business for you, okay? This is your business that is being built for you. Basically, I'm building a McDonald's for you. I'm going to have all the employees in there to take the cash, and then I'm going to have all the employees there to fill the orders. All you have to do is print out the label, put it in a box, and wait for UPS to come and pick it up. Okay? I'm building your store for you. You know, that's not cheap, and that's not simple. And people, this is an investment into the future of your business. Okay? And that's not, if that's only worth $500 to you, go get your nephew to build your website for you, because that's what you deserve, or that's what you're going to end up with. I've been building websites since I bought my first computer in 1998. And that happens to be the same year Google was born. 1998, I believe. You can go back in Wikipedia or whatever and go look. But I grew up with Google. I've been online every day since, building websites and then making sure that the website is going to show up in a Google search for my clients. Okay? So I build them a beautiful website that's the face of their business, and then I make sure everybody in their area can find them. They can pull them up on their phone, boom, click, and they can call them, or click, they can order, you know, or click, they can subscribe to their offers and get text messages when they have offers. Okay? They're connected to their customers at all times. With a non-mobile website, you're nowhere to be found. And that's a shitty place to be if your website makes you money. Or if you're a pizza delivery service called Skinner's in St. Paul, Randolph Street, they blow you off when you try to let them know their website's old and outdated and doesn't show up in a mobile search. But Domino's and Pizza Hut, which are a few miles away, they'll deliver in their area and take all their business because they can't find them online. Even the ones down the street, Hot City Pizza, they don't have a very good website, but they're mobile. They can be found in a mobile search. This place can't. That's sad. I can't even get them to talk to me. But they continue to lose money, so hey, I'm not the one losing out here. I'm trying to help businesses make money. That's what I do. Okay, I build businesses. You call them websites, but you could not build that entire business by yourself because you do not know the first thing of how to do it. Right? Right. And that's why you come to a guy like me, because I've been doing it since 1998 and I've built hundreds of websites. I've worked with, when I did favors for people, family, friends that took advantage of me for $1,000 website back in the I've been building these sites forever, and they all make money. I have built websites for friends of mine that are in other lines of work, and he made over $1 million on his website. And I'll give you his name. You can talk to him. Actually, his name's Ben Mueller. Okay, you can call him or go to his website, thebalanceyouneed.com, and you can see who he is. He's a very successful professional network marketer, and he's one of the leaders of Fusion Biotech in the U.S. that has been around 2 years, coming from Latin America. He is the fastest growing business partner of Fusion in the United States, and I also call him one of my best friends. Okay, we've known each other since we were kids, but call him. I've done all his web work, built his websites. I have trained, and I have I built websites for many different types of businesses. For a woman who breeds special cats, Russian Siberian forest cats. They're beautiful cats, but they're hypoallergenic, so people that are allergic to cats can get a cat that they're not allergic to. And I've also made them for dog breeders. They're a $50 million construction company, and I've also put bids on a lot of, because they don't see the benefit, or they don't see their business, their online presence as an asset to their company. They look at it as a website, and a website is cheap. Websites don't cost anything. Websites doesn't take any talent to build a website. That's how the industry is looked at, but you couldn't do it yourself. So something don't add up there. But you'll continue to make, someone will build a business for you, you'll continue to make money for the rest of your life on that asset that is built on it. Other than some ongoing maintenance and security to protect that asset and to keep that asset maintained and to upgrade as time goes on to keep it relevant. Okay? But to also protect that and also make sure to protect your ranking in your local community, your reputation. Okay? so you can be found. Whenever someone picks up their phone and they say, hey, I want a pizza delivery in my location, or where's the nearest auto parts store, where's the nearest barber shop, you know, they should be able to find you near them right on their phone, and then they can call you. They can, you know, when people find something online, I will have to look up the percentage, but it's like 75% of the people that look something up online on their mobile device will actually go make a purchase in the location of their local search. Okay, they will go to the store and they will buy that item. If you don't have a mobile friendly website, you're missing out on that. The only way people will find you is by putting your website name in. You know, you will come up, but you're going to give a very, very terrible mobile experience for that visitor, because they're looking at an old dinosaur website that was built for big screens. Okay? It wasn't built for these, or some of the iPads and the tablets and the MacBooks, the Chromebooks, the Microsoft Surface ones. They're all different size screens. Okay, so your website has to be able to adapt to each size of device. And your old website, if it's not mobile friendly, you just can't do that. It's either too wide for all the links that you tap on to go to another page. They're all close together. Your menu scrunched into a tiny window, and it doesn't work. It's a terrible experience for people. So guess where they go? They go to your competitor. It's plain and simple, because it's easy to go get something from them, to go buy something or find something on their website, because it's mobile. It's 2018, not 2010. Okay? Think about it. When you buy a car in 2010, look at technology, how far it's come since 2010 to 2018. Look what's in these vehicles. They've got wireless in there. You got your computers in the vehicles now. Okay? They're mobile. The GPS systems, guess what? If they want to find something in their GPS system, you're not going to show up in that either, because you're not optimized for that. You know, people in their cars can ask, tell the GPS where they want to go, or they can ask what's near me. You're not showing up in that either. So do yourself a favor. Give me a call, and we can have a full conversation, and we can discuss your options to get you into the year 2018 so you can continue to make money. Simple as that. And I just don't know how, or any other way to put it, and how urgent it is for you, if you want to continue doing business on the internet and be part of the mobile revolution or evolution, because it's not going to stop. Technology's not going to stop. And your old website, like I said, it's a dinosaur. It's not good for anything anymore. It's there, but no one's going to see it. If you have to shut your business down because you didn't stay with the times. Everybody else has. Look at all the big names, all the name brands. You're not going to find them with a non-mobile website. They're obviously optimized for mobile search. They're not just there because they're bigger than you. They're smarter than you. They're keeping up with technology. You are not. But that's where I come in. I can help you do that. I am so good at this stuff. I mean, I know every step it takes for you to be found down to the grid coordinates of the location of your business. I know how to make sure Google puts you in the map right there at your location. People can find your business. Okay? I will make sure people can find you. And once they do, you can have a nice website or mobile storefront, if you will. Let's get the word website out of here because it's not what it's called anymore. Okay? We're on the mobile devices now. Give me a call, 612-990-5345, or visit thwebconsulting.com and click on the contact form, fill it out, send it to me if you got a message, or go to halfway down the home page, you'll see for a free consultation. Click here, click that button, and you will go to a form to fill out. Tell me all about your business, how many pages on your website. You're going to tell me everything I need to know to get back to you as quick as I can with a quote, an affordable quote, so you can get caught up with 2018 and the mobile evolution. Okay, so contact me or fill the form out. And I tell you what, don't skip the part when I ask you about your budget. Okay, realistically, you need to tell me what you can afford to continue to be open for business. What's that mean to you? And I'm going to tell you, if you have a informational site with 5 pages and that's all it is, I will build that website for you for $1,500 flat. Okay, simple website like that, I'll get that built for you for $1,500. But you will provide all the images and everything like that. If I have to create new stuff, we'll have to talk about that. Okay, because that's going to be custom work, and I charge by the hour too. But on top of that, then we're going to talk about making sure that you're found. Okay, and I'll give you a good deal on that. But other than that, be real with me, and I'm going to be real with you. And I have a website calculator. Basically, you can build a website by clicking on different features, and it will add up to a total, and that will give you a ballpark figure of what a website will cost. Okay, but don't let the price scare you, because it's going to get high, really high. Well, maybe to you it's really high, but honestly, that is what it will cost if you add every feature up, the software add-on to the website. Okay, everything you add to a website is a piece of software that has a certain task to do. Okay, it's like having a bunch of employees. You know, one's taking the money. Okay, the credit cards. Okay, you got your cashier. You got your guy who takes care of the newsletter by getting everybody's email addresses, right? Putting them in a database so he can go back and send a letter to us. 10% off today, or 2-for-1s at Joe's Pizza for happy hour. All that. But once you add everything up, it's going to add everything up by its individual feature and the time it takes to integrate that into the website. Okay, so it's adding everything up individually, so it's going to be higher than when we package everything together. So don't let the high price scare you off. Trust me, I'm reasonable, I'm fair, but you know what? I have to make money too, and I am building your business for you, and I'm the professional, not you. Okay, that's what you're going to hire me for. That's what you're going to put your faith in me. You're going to put me, your future, your business in my hands. Okay, but that does cost money because you're getting one of the best. Okay, but anyway, 612-990-5345 or go to thwebconsulting.com. I hope to hear from you, and telling you it's no longer an option. It's a requirement. Don't let technology pass you by. I hate to see your business fail. Take care. Have a good one. See you.